Hi, good night, friend. Welcome to global-ptt official live. My name is Sarah. Today I will show you our new product in this live. This one is the 5280 Plus. It's our latest product. It can work globally. We call it global walkie-talkie. And all the radios from us, they are global walkie-talkie. We can talk between the group members. There's no density limit, and we don't charge a monthly fee or subscription fee. Okay. Now let me show you the function of each buttons and how the radio it will work. How does the radio work? It has a long antenna. The long antenna is a UV dual-band antenna, and the short antenna is a 4G antenna. There is a knobs here. We can rotate the button to change the volume just through these knobs. And here is the on and off button. The left side PTT button, when we press it, we can send a message out to the team members to make a group call. We will also choose a single member to make a single call. Then we press the right side PTT button. You can see the small triangle here. Okay, go up, it will work under VHF. Okay, and then come down, it will work under the UHF. The UHF frequency of this radio is 400 MHz to 490 MHz. The VHF frequency of this radio is 136 MHz to 174 MHz. Okay, here is the menu. We can choose to make a group call. We can choose to make a single call. I have one group on this radio, so if I want to make a group call, I press the PTT button. We can send a message. If I have 4 groups, 5 groups, I need to enter into the group before I can talk in the group. Okay, here is the 6 members who are online. We press this one now. We entered into a temporary group with him. The other radios, even they are online, they can't receive our message. This is a temporary group call or single call. Okay, now we just exit the temporary group. We come to the global PTT1 group now. Okay, now we just come to the VHF analog mode. Here is the mode selection: frequency mode, channel mode. It has 256 channels, so we can program it. We can set the channels by ourselves. Just program it, the frequency you need. The frequency range is wide because it is UV dual band. This is a UV dual band antenna, and we also add SOS function on this radio. The SOS function is not for free. We have a yearly service fee for the SOS function. It is $15 per year. Here is the Type-C interface for the head mic. Okay, the other side is for the head mic. Okay, the voice receiving, there are 2. One is here, the other it is at the back. This is the voice receiving the Mac horse. Press the PTT button, send a message. Press another side PTT button, send a message. And there is a small screen here on the top, friend. There is a small screen on the top, global PTT and then VHF. We can check the 2 different channels, global PTT and the VHF. It is a 3-in-1 for now. It also has the UHF. 2 colors, friend, for you to choose: the black color and green color. What color you like, you can choose the color you need. The selling price is $520. If you like, you can check the global PTT store and you can order it in the global PTT store. This is our latest product with the newest technology. Next one, I will show you the G8. This is the G8 Plus. Okay, it has FM radio. G8 Plus, it has a long antenna. This antenna is the UHF antenna. It is 10 watts. Even you lost a 4G connection, it can work good for 10 to 20 kilometers distance. It is a high power global-ptt1. Okay, and there are 2 PTT buttons, button 1 and button 2. Press the button. Let me show you. It will just transmitting. Okay, under the global PTT mode. Press the button 2. It is under the UHF analog mode. There is a head mic, is Type-C head mic. The head mic is not for free, it's $35. This radio is $356 per pair with yearly SIM card. Here is the menu. Come to the work mode. POC mode, analog mode, mix mode, and repeater mode. POC mode, analog mode, mix mode, and repeater mode. and come to the VNM. Okay, okay, exist. Long press number 1, frequency detecting. Okay, number 2, this is some quick buttons. The function black lights. Continue 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. Here is the FM radio. We can listen to the FM radio. Okay, and press the PTT button. We can send message to the other radios. Just send message to your team members. This is a group call. It is big. It is compatible with big radios. It is also compatible with the small radios. How to set all those radios in the same group? We have a global PTT account for you, friend. If you are a dealer, with the dealer's account, you can add new radios by yourself. If you are a company, we will be the one help you to add new radios in the global PTT system. It's just ready to use out of the box. Fixed antenna, fixed battery, insert the SIM card, it will work. After you get it, you don't need to set it by yourself. Okay, we have already set it in the global PTT system before we ship it out to you. Here is the SIM card. The SIM card is a global SIM. It works not only in American but also in the other countries. In the SIM card plan, it has 174 countries. So we can achieve the 174 countries free call with the SIM card I offer to you. But if you don't want American SIM card, you want Mexico SIM card, we also have the Mexico SIM card. We have the Chile SIM card, and we have the Canada SIM card, but there are different SIM card plan actually. On one SIM card, there are many countries. It can cover many countries. This is a SIM card plan. This one's a G8 Plus model. It is a UHF analog plus 4G POC. POC means push to talk over the cellular network. This is the short antenna. The short antenna is for the 4G. Okay, now let me pass it. I will show you another one, friend. Thank you so much for coming. I have a free gift for you. This is a global PTT Joe. We're going to give to you for free. Watch the live. You can get this one for free. How to claim it? You can leave me a message or you can just read for me. And then later on, I will send you my contact details. You can send me a message. You can add me. Okay, I will pass it first, friends. Now let me show you another popular items or our new product. This one here, friend, on my head is our new product. The model is G6 Plus model. It is made from metal, green color, black color, and silver color. 3 colors for you to choose. Okay, it is a metal radius, and the antenna is removable. And here in the middle,
welcome to the intercom.
In the middle, we can choose. In the middle, there's small knobs. We can just rotate the button. Okay, you can just rotate the button.
Mine.
Go to the member. Okay, go to the settings. Okay.
Mine.
We press the PTT button to send a message out. Here is the SOS button. Long press the SOS button. The SOS alarm, it will be on. The other members in the system, they will receive your SOS alarm. The dispatcher, they will notice now you are in an SOS mode. Oh, now let me pass it. If you want to order this one, you can go to any of the global PTT store. Hello, Abraham, welcome. You can go to any of the global PTT store, search G6 Plus. You will find this design. It is a super cool palm-sized design. It is metal. This one is the only one metal radius that has GPS and SOS function. It is super cool. Okay, if you like it, don't miss it. It is our latest product. The selling price is $296 per pair with yearly SIM. Okay. For now, I just show 3 new products. The first one is the 5288 Plus. The second one is the G8 Plus. Okay, and then the last is the G6 Plus. Okay, G8 Plus, G6 Plus, 528 Plus. And next, friends, I will show you our popular items. We have many popular items in this slide I'm going to show you. Okay, this one is our popular items. It is a 5288 model. we upgrade it with dedicated US chips, and it has two colors too, a black color and a green color. This is a black color. It has a UHF antenna, okay, and there is one button here in the middle. We can just choose the channels, then just change the channels from channel 1 to channel 16, and here's the GPS function. Okay, press the PTT button, we can send the message out. Okay, press the home button, press the menu button, come to the end setting. We can set the frequency, RS frequency and TS frequency, and here is the sub audio. Okay, we can set it by ourselves. Here is the function setting. Just set the radius. If you want to use it under UHF, you can set the frequency that you want to talk into. It is compatible with any other ham radios. Just set them in the same frequency. Okay, the frequency range of this radio is 400 to 520 megahertz. 400 megahertz to 520 megahertz. That is the frequency range. Okay, and then here is the Type-C. Here is the Type-C interface. Is for the cable wire to this is not a charger. Okay, this is for the cable wire to program it, to program the radios. Okay, here is the charger, Type-C charger. We can just charge it directly. Okay, Type-C charger. Normally it will take at least 2 to 3 hours to be charged, to be fully charged at one time. Okay, after you charge it, it can work good for 3 days at least. This one is 5288 model. Compared to the old version, this one is 528 new. We add a dedicated chip for you to use it in the whole USA. It is a global band. It can work in American, in Europe, in South Africa, okay, and also in Australia. Need to use it in different SIM cards. And here the SIM card we offer to you, it is good for 174 countries. Okay, so you can just use it. You can just achieve the 174 countries free call. Use this walkie-talkie, but only between your team members. Only between your team members. If we are not in the same team, if we are not in the same group, we cannot talk each other under global PTT mode. Okay, we can use it under the UHF analog mode. How to add in the same group or in the same team? We will be the one, okay, help you to add in the same group. Just tell us your IMEI, then we can add for you. But all your radios must be from Global PTT. If you buy your radios from the other dealer, from the other seller, sorry, it can't be. Manage your agent, company, or user's account. If you are agent, we will offer you the agent account. Then you can just use the agent account to manage the radios by yourself. If you are company user, we will offer you a company account. Okay, and you can use the company account to check in the check in the users, to check in the members. Okay, to check the names. You can also change the names by yourself. Okay, beside here, the manager's account, we also have a dispatch account for the company. With the dispatch account, we can check in the location of the radios, but you must order the one that with GPS function. If your radios, it has a GPS function, you can use the dispatch account to check in the location of the radios. Okay, this is how we're going to use the dispatch account. Thank you so much, friend. I have a free gift for you. This is a Global PTT doll. I'm going to give to you for free. Watch the live. You can get it for free from me. You can leave me a review, or you can just leave me a note that you want this Global PTT doll. I will ship to you. Okay. Now, next, friend, I will show you another video. Some of our dealers or distributors, they don't know which one to choose, friends. Okay, I give you my suggestion. If you are just a beginner and you just start your radio business, I suggest you to get this two, buy it and resell it, because they have a good price. It's cheaper compared to some other models, but it has a good profit. This small one is 220. It's our best seller for now, star of the year. Every week we're selling 4,000 pairs for this one. Okay, you can buy it and resell it. The selling price is 220, but for dealers we have a good price. Okay, you can send me a message to to inquiry about this one, 220, and this one's 266. What's the special of this small one? It has 3 languages here in the system, in the global PT, on the radio. Okay, language setting, English, Spanish, and Portugal, 3 languages. Okay, time zone setting. Okay, here is the language setting. English, Spanish, and Portugal, 3 languages here. Press the PTT button, we can send the message out. Come to mine. Here's the account number. Account number is the IMEI of the radio. By add the IMEI in the global PTT system, your radio will be registered in the global PTT system. Can you use to talk to anyone with GMRS channels? No, this one is the POC radios, friend. It only talks to the other POC radios, 4G radios. It is a 4G radios. We need a SIM card for it. It doesn't work with GMRS channels. Sorry. You can use this radio is for private usage only between your private groups, between your families or between your colleagues, or if you have a group that you want to join, it only be between your group members, only between your team members, not to a random person, and it is not work under the GMRS. It is the 4G radios. 4G POC radios, push to talk over the cellular network. Okay, let me show you. Sorry, let me show you here. This is the global PTT receivers. Global PTT receivers. We have the receivers in North American, in South American, and also in Australian, in Africa, Asia country, Europe. Okay, and Middle East. This is the receivers. Okay, with the global PTT receivers, we can achieve the global call no matter where you are. You can talk to your team members. Okay, and friend, this one is the G38 model, G6 model, K300 model. All those models we have, and we are now for sale. The one I show you is the one G0 model. Okay, this is the G0 model. The G0 model here, we highly recommend for the dealers and for distributors to get the G0, to get the G9 model, to buy them for resale. But if you want to use it for yourself, you can get it too. For dealers, we have a good price. You can check the Global PTT website and you will just find it. Okay, find all our items there. We will offer you a manager's account. You can use that account to manage the radios by yourself. Okay, here is the G0 model, and here is the G9 model. This is the G9. Let me show you my members, friend. David, okay, NY Dispatch, Brian, Jesus Christ, Jerry, Kevin, Com, Steven, Terry. Okay, this is our friend from NYC PTT group. This will be a public channel from us, and then if you want to join, I will join you here to NYC PTT group. And then you can talk to them if they're online. Actually, those are all our clients who bought the radios from us and who use these radios in the global PTT platform. It is for free. The global PTT system is for you for free, friend. Okay, and the global PTT manager's account, we can offer to you for free too. And I have a dispatch account. If your radio it has GPS function, you can use the dispatch account to check in the location of the radios. Okay, here is the G9, here is the G0. I'm gonna to pass it, friend. Welcome, newcomers. Thank you so much for coming. Next one, I will show you the G5. You can see here, this is the G5. The G5 is quite different with the others. They all have a screen, but the G5, no. The G5, there's no screen. Only a board here. Okay, there's only a board here. Press the PTT button, we can send a message. The G5 module, we can't use it to make a single call. It can support group call only.
Intercom platform.
It can support group call only. We can only use this walkie-talkie to make a group call to the team members. Press the PTT button, we send the message out. Okay, there are 16 channels. We can rotate the button to change it to different channels.
Channel 4, Channel 7, Channel 8.
Okay, now it's
Channel 9.
Channel 9. We can set it in different channels, and in different channels there are different group members. Here is G5. Press the PTT button, just send the message out. Here is a 2-pin head mic. Okay, the clips. The G5 model is a very simple walkie-talkie friend. We can use this one. I highly recommend for the construction team, or for the security team, for the bodyguard, that you need a team communicate with each other. We can't use this radio to make a single call. Single call is not receivable, only group call. But we set 16 channels on this radio friend, so you can talk in the 16 different channels. Okay, let me pass it. This one's G5. And next, friend, I want to show you another small size walkie-talkie, the G380 model, friend. This one's a G380 model. It's a small and mini size one. Press the PTT button, we can send the message out. The small antenna is not removable. It's a hard metal radio, friend, so it is quite durable, very long lasting. After you order it, you can use it for 5 years, no problem. It's working, it works great. And we support the 30 days free return return after you get it. Okay, there's a flashlight. Let me turn the light on. This is a flashlight function on the small radios. We also have another one with flashlight function, the K300 model and the G500 model. Those radios, it has a flashlight function too. Okay, so if you need a radio that has flashlights, you can choose the G388, K300 model, or G500 model. Okay, we can choose to make a group call. We can choose to make a single call. Just select the member you want to talk to, and you can talk to them. We can talk to the members no matter where they are, as long as they have the 4G reception and they are online. We can send a message to them. Just one click, we can send a message abroad. We can send a message global. Okay, here is our walkie-talkie, 4G walkie-talkie. Talk under the cellular. Okay, global talk under the cellular. This is global PTT from us. All those radios here in our live, I show in the live, they are researched and developed by ourselves, friend. And this one is our latest product. Do you like it? I will show you again, okay? I will show you again. This is our latest product. It is a 5288 plus model, green color and black color. 2 colors for you to choose, and there is a small screen on the top. We can choose to make a group call, we can choose to make a single call, and it can also work under the VHF, under the UHF. There is a long antenna. The long antenna is for the radios to work under the UHF and VHF. It's a UV dual band antenna. And the short antenna is for the radios to work under the 4G. And there is a button here. We can rotate the button and we can change the volume from volume level 1 to volume level 15. Okay, lower voice, louder voice. And here this button is on and off button. We can rotate the button to make a louder voice, make the lower voice. Here is the PTT button 1. Here is the PTT button 2. There is a voice receiving mic here. Okay, press the PTT button 1, talking on the mic. Okay, press the PTT button 2, talking on the back. Okay, back mic. There is the SOS function. Long press this small round button, the SOS alarm, it will be on. Okay, now I will just turn the SOS alarm on. Please be ready. Okay, just listen, ready and listen. I turn. Okay, this is the SOS alarm. You can see SOS send success. If you are first responder of the team, the SOS function will be very important for you. You will after you send the SOS alarm, all your team members, they will just receive your message. So it is quite important. It can save your life. And it will just show the location and which radio is now in a SOS mode. Okay, the SOS function, function alarm, it is not for free, friend. It is $15 per year for the service fee. This is the SOS alarm of the 528 Plus model. We can see here, this is a black color. I also have a green color, two colors. Both of them are super cool, and it is very useful, especially, you know, for the policeman, for the firefighters. Okay, it can save your life, friend. This one is anti-shocking, and it can work in a very tough environment. Here is the conditions and the scenarios where we're gonna to use these radios. We use it in airports. We use it in warehouse. Okay, for fishermen, subway, construction team. Okay, security team, bodyguards. It is widely used for professional use. Walkie-talkie. Some customers or some friends ask me why we don't use a phone. A phone is not a professional equipment for you to use. It's only good for your daily use. Sometimes if you are in a bad weather, your phone will lose connection. But our walkie-talkie, you know, it is not depends on one supplier only. It is not depends on one service only. So you don't need to worry that it will be shut down. Even you lost your phone signal, this one still can get a good 4G reception. Okay, and then friend, if you really lost the 4G connection, this radio, it can connect a repeater, and you can use this radio to talk to, you can use this radio to talk to someone nearby. The range is 20 kilometers. Okay, here is the green color, here is the black color. You can choose the color you like. Where you can order it, you can search 528 Plus on any of the global-ptt store, or you can just check my information. I just put the link in my information. Okay, next I will review again the G6 Plus model. Okay, this one is the G6 Plus model. It is the first and the only one metal radios which has a GPS function, friend. Okay, here is a QR code, and the antenna is just removable antenna. We can just turn these knobs here in the middle to adjust the to choose the radio to work under UHF or under under the global-ptt, to make a group call, to make a single call. We rotate this button to turn the radio on and turn the radio off. Here is the metal clips. Okay, press the PTT button to send the message. Here is the earpiece, and then the Type-C charger. The charge time for the radio, it will take 2 to 3 hours to be fully charged, and we charge it one time. It can work good for at least 3 to 5 days for standby, and if you're talking on it, it's good for 20 hours. Okay, we're setting the parts to friend. So if your radio is not working good or your battery is not very long lasting, you can come to us. We will help you to fix it. We have a very good after-sales service, friend. Okay, we're looking for dealers and distributors. If you want to become our dealer, you want to become our distributor, you can send us email, or you can check our website to inquire from us. Okay, my name is Sarah. Just give last 1 minute. If you have questions, you can type it out on our public screen. I can answer you. If no more, I'm going to finish this live. We can provide product ODM and OEM. What we offer here is not only the standard product, also the customized one. All those products I show you in the live, they are R&D by ourselves. For now, our first factory, it is complete, friends. We are now invite our dealers and our distributors to come to visit our factory, friends. So if you want to become our dealer, you want to become our distributor, or you are already our distributor, we will invite you to come to the factory to visit us. I will show you the production line. I will show you our R&D team for you. Okay, you can tell me what kind of radio or what function you need. We can do that for you. Okay, it will not take a long time. Thank you so much. Last 10 seconds. Okay, I will just turn those radios off. Last 10 seconds. Okay, bye-bye, see you. Tomorrow no live, okay? The day after tomorrow we will have live. Bye-bye, just see you, bye-bye.